Qonto is a modern business account designed to simplify financial management, and a key element of that is automating one of the most tedious tasks, receipt management. Many business owners and finance teams waste countless hours manually linking transactions to paper or digital receipts. This common challenge is exactly what Qonto's auto-matching feature is built to solve. The core of this feature relies on optical character recognition or OCR technology. When you upload a receipt, either by snapping a photo with the Qonto mobile app, forwarding an email invoice to your dedicated Qonto address, or importing files from cloud storage, the system instantly scans it. It reads critical information like the date, the amount, and even the VAT details and supplier name. Qonto's powerful algorithm then takes this extracted data and automatically finds the matching bank transaction in your account history. This process is seamless and works for both card payments and supplier invoices. For every purchase, you get a notification asking you to attach the receipt. Once uploaded, the magic happens, and the document is digitally filed and linked to the correct transaction. Not only does this save time, but Qonto also adds a layer of compliance. The digitized receipts are certified with probative value, meaning they hold the same legal weight as the original paper version for tax and auditing purposes. This means you can confidently go paperless. If the system cannot find an automatic match for any reason, you are prompted to manually link the documents, maintaining total accuracy and control over your bookkeeping. This automation is available on many of Qonto's plans, transforming a time-consuming chore into a smooth, automatic process. It ensures your accounts are always tidy, audit-ready, and drastically reduces the risk of human error in your financial records. Qonto's auto-matching isn't just a convenience, it's a vital tool for efficient business bookkeeping.